2025 Volvo XC90 is a premium, mid-size SUV renowned for its Scandinavian design, comfortable interior, and advanced safety features. Volvo's commitment to sustainability is evident in the XC90, which offers a range of electrified powertrains, including plug-in hybrid and fully electric options. Key features: sleek and modern design. The XC90 boasts a stylish and minimalist exterior, with clean lines and elegant proportions. The interior is equally impressive, featuring high-quality materials, ample legroom, and a user-friendly infotainment system. Advanced safety technology. Volvo is a leader in automotive safety, and the XC90 is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. Electrified powertrains. The 2025 XC90 offers a variety of electrified powertrain options to suit different driving needs. The plug-in hybrid variant provides a balance of performance and fuel efficiency, while the fully electric XC90 offers zero-emission driving and long-range capabilities. Comfortable and spacious interior. The XC90's interior is designed for comfort and practicality. The second-row seats offer ample legroom, and the third row can accommodate passengers in a pinch. The cargo area is spacious and can be configured to suit various needs. High-quality materials and craftsmanship. Volvo is known for its attention to detail, and the XC90 is no exception. The interior is finished with high-quality materials and features meticulous craftsmanship. Conclusion: the 2025 Volvo XC90 is a luxurious and sophisticated SUV that offers a blend of style, comfort,